WooCommerce order management is repetitive. Manual invoices, packing confusion, shipping delays, it all slows your store down. That's why WowInvoice is here. Built specifically for WooCommerce to automate your order flow. Set it up once with your store details and brand identity, and every invoice is automatically generated and delivered when an order is placed. But we didn't stop there. We built a complete order system. Pick, pack, ship, and record. Pick lists tell your team exactly what to collect. No confusion, no missing items. Packing slips make sure every order is double-checked before it leaves the warehouse. Shipping labels ensure every package reaches the right customer. And invoices keep your records clean, structured, and automated. So instead of chaos after checkout, you get a system that actually runs your store. Your invoices don't just stop breaking your brand, they start building it. Join the WP Expo family, trusted by 65,000 plus businesses, backed by 850 plus reviews across WordPress.org and Trustpilot. Get WowInvoice. Set it once, run forever.